A sniper rifle is a high-precision, long-range rifle. Requirements include high accuracy, reliability, mobility, concealment, and optics, for anti-personnel, anti-materiel, and surveillance by military snipers. The modern sniper rifle is a portable shoulder-fired rifle with either a bolt or semi-automatic action, fitted with a telescopic sight for extreme accuracy and chambered for a high-ballistic performance centerfire cartridge. The Whitworth rifle was arguably the first long-range sniper rifle in the world. Designed in 1854 by Sir Joseph Whitworth, a prominent British engineer. This list, which we will review together today, includes only modern top 10 sniper rifles that are currently in service. It does not include prototypes that have not yet been produced, or older weapons that are no longer used. Let's go. Number 10. Macmillan TAC-50, United States. Number 9. Accuracy International Arctic Warfare 50, United Kingdom. Number 8. SIG SSG 3000, Germany, Switzerland. Number 7. BLASER R93 Tactical, Germany. Number 6. M24, United States. Number 5. SACO TRG-42, Finland. Number 4. Barrett M95, United States. Number 3. Accuracy International Arctic Warfare Magnum, United Kingdom. Number 2. STEYR SSG-69, Austria. Number 1. Barrett M82, United States.